Veteran Builders is a service-disabled veteran-owned company located in Fayetteville, North Carolina. We're a licensed commercial and residential general contractor staffed with a team of fully licensed, bonded, and insured professionals with years of experience. Our mission is to offer fast, friendly service at competitive prices. From project management to design build, turnkey projects and commercial upfits, to roofing and erecting pre-engineered steel buildings, Veteran Builders does it all from the ground up. You can also count on us for your lot and land clearing, earthwork, demolition, footings, brick block work, concrete finishing, framing, electrical, and plumbing needs. Veteran Builders specializes in government contracting, custom home building, and construction services for disabled individuals, including design and construction to accommodate a variety of disabilities. For more information, please contact us at 910-988-0136 or feel free to visit us online at vetbuilders.com and click Request Service.